What's up, everybody? I wanted to do a little demo on the Bullwhip. I don't know if you'd call it a cast really, but it's like an over the shoulder with the club, and they call it the Bullwhip. So I guess, so your traditional mill, swing it, cast over your shoulder, back into the next way, but the Bullwhip is like a direction change, just like that. And then you can go obviously both ways, and it's a pretty fun move. Adds a lot of good torque in there. Okay, so I know I just did a bunch of different swings in there, but so the bullwhip is to, I guess, just like this. You bring the mace up and then reverse it. Up and reverse it. So there's, as you pull it up in the front of the mill, you got to kind of launch it and then pull it back this way. So it goes this way and then back that way. Yeah, it's fun. It's a fun one to practice. It takes some messing around to get your coordination figured out to where you're not just flinging the mace around. But it's a fun one. It's a fun move to learn with the club, fun variation to add in there, create more patterns and different variations of swings. And, it's good stuff. So let us know what you think in the comments, and we'll catch you on the next video.